Guys, we need to finish this project tonight under any circumstances. I hope you all have understood the slides you all need to work on. Intel is a very, very important client to us. Aditya has done a fantastic job in acquiring this client and he trusts you all too much with this pitch.
Sure, sir.
Yes, sir.
Folks, give me a minute. I'll join you all soon after. Hello.
I don't know why we keep losing clients. We always work so hard. But guys, on the brighter side, at least we have less work to do now.
That's true. But we have been losing a lot of business of late, and it's time to step up and bring more clients in. And I believe if we all come together and brainstorm on a few ideas, then we can really find some solution for it.
We have to be pragmatic at this point of time, Karan. I'm sure things will settle down. I believe in our boss, Rishabh. He's been working overtime these days. Even we have to work overtime and deliver a project on time. Do you guys need a coffee? I definitely need one.
Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
please.
As soon as I receive the bidding amount, I'll text you. No. Aditya doesn't know anything about this. He trusts me completely. You don't worry. You just keep my cut ready, okay? Yeah.
Hey, where's the coffee?
Hey, what's up with you? Did you see a ghost?
It's nothing. I feel really tired and it's already late. I think I'll head home.
Just he hasn't even finished a part.
I know, right? We'll have to do our work. What just happened in the span of 5 minutes?
So guys, good job. It was an excellent pitch. I'm confident that we'll win this account. So congratulations and cheers.
Thank you, Aditya. We couldn't have done this without your inputs.
You don't have to thank me, Rishabh. It was all your efforts and hard work.
Sure. Guys, I think me and Aditya have to leave for another meeting. So you all can proceed from here. Okay, bye-bye.
See ya, guys.
Are you okay, Ashwarya? Why are you so quiet?
It's nothing. It's nothing.
That's what you said yesterday. Is everything okay at home? You can talk to me about it, Ashwarya.
Yeah, everything is okay at home, but nothing is okay here.
What do you mean?
I just need to speak to Rishabh right now, guys.
But I think he just left for another client meeting.
Hello, Rishabh.
Hello? Yes, Ashwarya, tell me. Where the hell did you disappear last night? There was so much work to do and you just left without informing.
I heard you.
I'm sorry, what?
I heard you talking to someone else. You're the reason why we've been losing out on our business.
You're completely out of your mind. Do you even know what you're accusing me of?
I know that, but I heard you.
Do you have any proof at all, Ashwarya?
No, but I'm going to tell Aditya and I'm going to tell him that you're a fraud.
Exactly what I thought. Listen to me very carefully, Ashwarya. If you do any such thing, I'll make sure your career is finished. And not just over here, at any company ever. You don't have any proof. You can't do anything about it. I suggest you keep your head down and just concentrate on your work. Don't go sneaking around. It's not really your job, okay? I'm going to keep the call now.
Aishwarya, you seem lost. Is everything all right?
Sorry, sir. Yes, yes, everything is all right.
Hope you're paying attention. This is really important.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm doing it.
Okay, hope so.
Guys, I know I've been aloof of late, but I don't think I can work here anymore.
What happened?
If you're facing any issue, why don't you speak to us? And if not us, why don't you go to the HR?
I don't think that's going to work. The organization's practices are against my morals and it's affecting me deeply. I'm going to quit and that's final. Rishabh has been cheating on us and the company as well. He is the reason that we're losing so many clients.
Ashwarya, if something like that would have happened, the management would have already known. We should wait for the management to do the right thing. I believe in this company.
Yes, I agree with Karan. I also, we are getting paid on time. What else do you want? Let the management do their job, yeah.
Sir, please accept my resignation. I do not want to work here anymore.
May I know what's all this? Why all of a sudden?
I do not want to work here anymore, sir. I have some reasons.
I understand, but you have been performing well. There's been no complaints against you. So, what happened?
I have some personal reasons, sir. I really do not want to talk about it. I'm sorry, but I would like to resign from this job. Thank you.
Fine. Okay, I respect your decision. So, what you do is you just follow the formal process, and if you want to talk to someone, we'll arrange for that as well.
Sir, but I think I would prefer being here. Thank you.
Rishabh, do you know that Aishwarya left the company?
Oh, is it?
Do you understand that she was an important resource? I hope we'll be able to find a replacement.
Yes, Aditya, I do understand, but she had been underperforming in the past few weeks. I feel like she was a liability to the project anyway. I mean, it's good that she left on her own and we didn't have to fire her.
I hope you know very well what you're doing because this is a serious issue.
Yeah, Aditya, you don't need to worry about this.
Fine, Rishabh, you may leave now.
Yeah. Bye.
Rishabh, do you know why I called you?
No, Aditya, I have no clue. Tell me what happened.
Rishabh, I got to know everything what you have been doing behind my back. You have broken my trust. You have broken company's trust, and this is completely unethical what you have been doing.
Aditya, I, I, I don't know what to say to you.
This is not what we stand for, Rishabh. This is not acceptable. This is totally not acceptable. What were you even thinking?
Forgive me, Aditya. I have no words. I'll just leave.
Fine, Rishabh. I hope you find peace.